So what you can also do inside of GIMP is work around with curves in order to go around and adjust out the color labels. So to do that, you need to go around onto colors right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around onto curves right here. So once you go around onto curves, then this is what you have, adjust color curves as an option. So over here, you can see that the darker part right here is controlled by this. So if I were to pull this up, you can see that the dark part areas actually goes around and becomes brighter. And if I were to go around and pull this down right here, then the bright part becomes darker, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and click on different spots right here, you can see that I can add in points and I can drag out the midpoints up right here to increase the contrast and drag in this point to decrease out the black part and increase out the contrast right here and get a bit more balance according to how I want. You can also go around and choose a freehand type of curve right here, just like this as well, so that you can go around and control out individual pieces like this, or you can make it more smooth right here, which gives a more balanced output. If I were to go around over here onto let's say for example channel red right here, then you can work around just with the red channel, as you can see right here. Like you can have more red on the, let's say for example, the brighter part right here, just like this. You can also go around and go for blue, and let's say you want more blue on the darker parts right here, so you can just go around and click and drag it around and get the color correction that you want, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with curves inside of GIMP and get the color correction look as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.